dreams begin. Children gathered, hope within, but walls were small, the space too tight. Too many dreams, not enough light.
Books were shared and floors were filled, yet hearts were strong and minds were skilled. Through every struggle they believed one day more would be achieved.
Through every prayer and every call, they stood together, one and all.
Voices rising loud and clear,
we need a place for every child here.
Now we stand in something new, built with hope, built strong and true. Every brick a story told, of faith and courage, brave and bold.
Thanks to hands that made a way, we celebrate this joyful day. A brighter future we now see.
A place to learn,
a place to be.
Teachers worked with all their heart, guiding every little start. Through the crowd and through the strain, they carried on through sun and rain.
Then a door was open wide, with support standing by their side. Bentado Lindo heard the call and helped to build a home for all.
From every voice that dared to dream, to every effort in between,
this is more than walls we raise.
It's the start of brighter days. Now we stand in something new, built with hope, built strong and true. Every brick a story told, of faith and courage, brave and bold.
Thanks to hands that made a way, we celebrate this joyful day. A brighter future we now see.
A place to learn,
a place to be. No more crowded rooms,
no more cries.
now there's space for dreams to rise. From every child,
The future grows
in this place that love bestows.
Lift your voices, let it ring. This is more than just a building. It's a promise standing tall. Education for us all.
In this light our dreams will stay, guiding us along the way. From Mawlein we proudly say,
Our future starts today.